Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices will go down starting tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less, the lowest since the third week of January. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $4.50 less. Kerosene will also go down by $4.50, and propane and butane will decline by $4.50. Each gas station will do their own markdowns. Island Grill has made changes to its management board. Thalia Lynn is to step aside as CEO. Tanya Waldron-Gooden, the current CEO of Caribbean Assurance Brokers CAB, will become the company's new Chief Executive Officer effective May 1. She officially leaves CAB on April 30. For the past 3 years, Mrs. Waldron-Gooden has served as a board member and chairperson of the Audit Committee at Island Grill. Chairman Howard Mitchell says the changes are part of its new strategic plans. That includes further expansion of the Island Grill chain and other innovations. In the meantime, Island Grill says Mrs. Thalia Lynn, who is also the founder of the brand, will still play an integral role. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group says all payments relating to the shares in 1834 Investments have been settled. The company has refuted information suggesting former 1834 Investments shareholders need to take certain actions regarding their cancelled shares. The group says payments were successfully concluded in December last year and therefore no further action is needed. The assets and liabilities of 1834 were acquired by the RJR Gleaner Communications Group under a scheme of arrangement which became effective on December 1, 2022. In the process, 1834 shares were cancelled in exchange for payments of cash and/or Radio Jamaica Limited shares. The U.S. Central Bank has raised interest rates again despite fears that the move could add to financial turmoil after a string of recent bank failures. The Federal Reserve increased its key interest rate by 0.25 percentage points and said more action could be appropriate as consumer prices continue to climb. The Fed has been raising borrowing costs to slow inflation. The sharp rise in rates has led to strains in the banking system. Ukrainian authorities and the International Monetary Fund (IMF) have reached a staff-level agreement for a new 48-month extended fund facility. The packages, once approved, will see the war-torn state having access to about $15.6 billion. The IMF says the package is aimed at helping Ukraine to implement policies that sustain financial stability and shore up economic recovery. It says the staff-level agreement is expected to help mobilize large-scale concessional financing from the country's international donors and partners. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.72. $112.48 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $185.84 for the pound, while it's costing an average $166.10 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,812 points today, while the junior market lost 47 points. Among the winners, Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Cygnus Real Estate US dollar shares, Jamaican Teas, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. Losers were led by Sterling Investments, Knutsford Express Services, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, and Mail Pack. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.